wait, like, how do I get him back? How do I make him miss me? How do I make him think and remember me? Like, why would he just wake up in the middle of the night and tell me that he's done with me? He doesn't want to have a relationship with me anymore. Like, it doesn't make sense. But I think I need to get him back. I think I need to call his friends. I think I need to tell them that they should beg for me, beg on my behalf. I think that's what I'm going to do, because I can't let him go. No, it can't just happen like that. No.
I put my hope, all my sorrows, all my struggles, all my hopes. Oh, like you, I can't even resist. Oh my God, if it doesn't oh my God.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you're good, I hope you're fine, and I hope you are fantastic. Today is a special day and this is a special video. Today I'll be talking about how to get over an heartbreak. Yes, nobody is immune to an heartbreak. In fact, I feel that in the whole world population, out of 100%, I feel that 70% of the people in the world has had an heartbreak. Yes, I believe so. It's male or female, I believe so. But I feel that most people that get emotional about their heartbreaks are the females. They are the one that cry a lot and do all those stuffs, yeah? Heartbreak means an overpowering or intense pain that you feel as a result of the loss of a relationship. Yes, a lot of people go through these phases and they cry a lot, they mourn. In fact, some people literally mourn all day, all night, weeks, months. They keep crying, they keep thinking, and they keep getting so worrisome, and all of this leads to depression. It leads to low productivity, low effectiveness. It leads to rejection. A lot of people tend to talk badly about themselves. They feel that, oh, they are not good enough. Then some people start to find a reason. Oh, this ex did not tell me the reason why he left me. So what is the reason why he left me? Oh, I feel that maybe he left me because of this. Oh, because I do not have a big butt. Maybe I should go do a big butt. Maybe I should do a butt lift or a Brazilian butt lift. Or maybe I should do silicone breast. Maybe it's because I don't have big boobs. Or maybe because I'm not fine enough. Or maybe my head is too big. Maybe I should go and reduce it. All these silly thoughts start getting into the heads of the people that are heartbroken. Yes, especially when it's very fresh and they have not healed at all. So guys, I understand all of this pain because I myself have gone through an heartbreak before. There's a lot of dangers that come with heartbreak, and this is really bad. It comes with a lot of things attached, and I really feel the pain of some people that say they are going through heartbreaks and they're trying to heal. But right now we have to talk about how to get over an heartbreak, because you cannot continuously be there. You can't be stuck at a spot. You need to move ahead. First things first, don't contact him. Don't try to contact this person. Don't try to contact his friends to beg him on your behalf. You don't need any of that, girl. You need to move ahead. This guy or this lady has bluntly told you that they are not more interested in you anymore. So please and please don't contact him. In fact, if you have the mind, try to delete the person's number off your phone. So if you find it difficult to delete the number, just re-edit the name of your ex, re-edit it, put a name that when you see it, you get triggered. You remember all the bad things that this person has done to you. So number 1 point, don't contact your ex, okay? Number 2 is forgiveness. Please and please and please, I know it's not easy. It's not easy to forgive and forget. You cannot even forget except if you lose your memory. But try as much as possible to forgive this person. Don't think of ways to revenge. Don't think of ways to get back at this person. No, girl, don't do this. I'm talking mostly to the girls, because a lot of girls are emotional and they can become desperate in order to get back at this person because of the depth of the pain, the depth of the hurt. No. Please and please don't do that. Just try as much as possible to forgive. It might take you a longer period to forgive, but in all, try to forgive. Don't take any bad moves. It is best to forgive and let go. When you truly and genuinely forgive that person, your heart will be set free. You'll be free. So just try as much as possible to forgive, and try as much as possible to forget all the hurt that they have done to you. Okay? Now, tip number 3 is for you to seek God. Seeking God is a major key point. Seek God in all his ways. Build a relationship with God. When you build that relationship with God, he would always come for you. He would always be there for you. Speak with him. Read the word of God. Be in his presence. He is the only one that can take away that pain. The pain might be deep and deep and deep, but he is the one that can heal you steadily. So just Put all your energy and your time into God. If you can't be alone, seek friends' attention as well. Meet with friends that can help you. Seek a psychologist that can help you. This would also be good as well. But as a Christian, I advise you seek God first, okay? Now, another point that I have for you is to speak strength into yourself every morning. Get a mirror, look into it, and speak strength into yourself. Tell yourself, I'm a queen. I am strong. I am genuine. I am beautiful. You know, speak great things to yourself every morning. Channel that energy to speaking great into yourself. Afterwards, take a piece of paper and a biro, write down the things that you need to do that day, because you cannot spend all your time, all your energy thinking about this guy. Write things that you need to achieve that day, so that you would be able to guide how you'll be able to guide and monitor what you think about and what you do. So that's the best tips and advice that I have for you. Now, when you are thinking and you're thinking of all the good things that you and this person have shared together, my girl, please and please remember the bad things that he has done to you. Remember every bad thing that he has done to you, and remember that he told you that he's no more interested in you anymore, so that can waken you up. That anger can waken you up, that you don't need to continue to think about all these wonderful memories that you guys have shared together. This guy or this lady has told you that they are not more interested in you. So just remember the bad things they've done to you, and that will awaken your memory. That will awaken your emotions, that you need to think straight. Now, another tip that I have for you is for you to be progressive. Yes, you have things that you need to achieve. You have potentials. You have a lot of things to achieve. So start putting that energy into achieving all of that. Yes, be progressive. Don't just be stagnant at a point, thinking about this same person. This person you're thinking about might have moved on, might have married, might have been with someone else. So why are you being stagnant at a point? Just be progressive. Think of the future. Think of what you need to achieve and start achieving them now. Start to achieve them now. If you have a book you want to write, start writing them down. If you have classes, maybe dance classes, music classes you need to attend to them. If you have fashion designing classes, makeup classes, start attending them. You need your life to move ahead. You cannot be stagnant at a point, okay? Now, another tip I have for you is to love yourself. Make sure you love yourself and take yourself first. Even in the Bible, it is been written that God did a lot of miracles. Jesus did a lot of miracles in the Bible, and then a lot of people were cheering him up. They were hailing him. They were hyping him and saying, "Yes, you did this, Jesus, you did this." And when he's going to the mountain, there's multitudes of people that are always following him to listen to what he's saying because of the miracles that he has done to them. But the day Jesus was to be crucified, oh my God, these same people were the same set of people shouting, "Crucify him, crucify him." So God was trying to tell us there that you should love yourself and expect anything from anybody. Somebody that is laughing at you today, somebody that is happy with you today can be laughing at you tomorrow. Someone that is praising you today can be shaming you tomorrow. So make sure you love yourself first and expect anything from anybody, because we are all humans. Man is human, so they can do anything. Whether a pastor, whether a child of God, a Christian or not Christian, just expect anything from anybody. Love yourself first, girl. Love yourself first. Pamper yourself. Take good care of yourself. If you've been itching to buy new clothes, buy new clothes. Go to that restaurant that you wish to go to. Buy new food. Enjoy yourself. Take yourself first. Build yourself. Read books. So that is the major and important thing, and expect anything from anyone. If someone comes today and say they love you today and tomorrow they don't love you, accept it. Accept it and move on. Stop being in shock. Okay, because this person told you that, oh, they don't love you anymore, you are now shocked. No, girl, expect it so that it won't be a shock to you anymore. You already expected it, so duh. And what I want to tell you in order to round up this video is that everything in this world happens for a reason. Maybe the reason why God ended that relationship, or why that relationship ended, was because you were to learn a lesson from it and apply that lessons, all those things you've learned in your new relationship. You don't know, you never know. So please and please, you need to move on. I know that it's hard, it's difficult, but you need to get over this heartbreak. I hope that with these few tips that I've shared with you, you are going to make use of them, and you are going to implement them in your life and help you to get over this heartbreak. All right, guys, see you on my next video. Bye for now.